A die has 6 faces marked as 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a positive integer, an integer greater than -3, the smallest integer? So here clearly the sample space of this one is like sample space. We have the numbers 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So that implies there are 6 elements. Total number of outcomes are like 6. Now first question, a positive integer. So I'll consider it as let E1 be the event of getting a positive integer. So see E1 here. E1 will be positive integers out of all these are like 1, 2, 3. So that implies number of elements in E1, that is favorable outcomes, are like we have 3. Now the first question is probability of event getting a positive integer. Probability of getting a positive integer. So you can write this as like probability of E1. Probability of E1, that is nothing but n of E1, number of favorable outcomes, by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are 3, total outcomes are 6. So the answer is 1/2. In the same way, if we'll see the second question, the second question is probability of getting an integer greater than -3. So integer greater than -3. So here I'll consider E2. Let E2 be the event of getting an integer greater than -3. So then E2 will be, see from the sample space, from this number greater than -3. So greater than -3 will be like -2, -1, 1, 2, 3. So here number of elements in E2 are like 5. So probability of getting an integer greater than -3 is, you can write P of E2, that is n of E2 by n of S. So number of favorable outcomes here like 5 and total outcomes are 6. So this is the answer, 5/6. The last question, the probability of getting a smallest integer. So here let E3, I'll consider the event E3. E3 be the event of getting the smallest integer. Smallest integer. Smallest integer means out of the given integers. So then E2 will be, E3. Smallest integer is -3. So the number of elements in E3 is 1. So probability of getting smallest integer is n of E3 by n of S, total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes 1, total outcomes 6. So here it is 1/6. So the first answer, getting a positive integer, is 1 by 2, and getting an integer greater than minus 3 is 5 by 6, and getting the smallest integer is 1 by 6.